Yeah, g'day guys, welcome to my Money for Everyone review and my biggest bonus package for 2020. I'm giving it literally a shit ton of stuff away. When you pick up a copy of Money for Everyone, you're going to get all my products, you're going to get everything, including most of the upgrades. So I'm really throwing everything but the kitchen sink in this bundle because I feel like, 2021's coming up. 2020 has been a shit year for everyone, and I want to give you guys the best possible advantage for you to take going into the new year. So I don't feel like waiting for January and then going, oh yeah, 2021 best bundle yet to get you going. You guys deserve, at least a couple of weeks leeway in order to start getting traction more quickly, and it's pretty important for you guys because I know it's, for some people it's been a really shitty year, and I feel like just giving more for you guys to be able to take advantage of it's the best thing and probably the best holiday spirit. So with that being said, I'm going to delve into the product. I am in the members area for Money for Everyone. It's a cool, unique hack where people can generate, even newbies, $50 a day, $50+ a day, literally just through this little Amazon Kindle hack that anyone can do. Like literally a 61-year-old dude can do it. Anyone at any age, any competency. You literally just have to follow the instructions, guys, that these guys have laid out in this system, and you'll see some results. So what we're going to go here is I'm going to quickly go through my bonuses really quickly. I want to make it a quick video. I don't like to fuck around because I really do feel like, honesty is best policy. So I'm just going to go Exodus plus 2 upgrades. I just used Exodus. I literally used this strategy this morning and I made $300. I want to show you, here's some proof here of it. Rebills. I promoted a product called Rebills using the Exodus strategy, as you can see here, and made $321. So it's a great strategy to use, guys. Rebills is the actual product itself. I'm going to give you all the upgrades to Rebills. It's a fantastic product where you can get recurring income. So people buy the product once, they'll go into a trial and they'll be billed every 30 days for using that particular product or service, and you guys get a commission on top of that. If you guys can get like 10, 20 people in, you can literally earn around about an extra, like anywhere between $500 to $1,000 a month. That really helped me when I started getting going, and I feel like this would really be a good avenue for you guys as well. Method X, a cool traffic strategy that we released. It's a really good way to get buyers fast to your offer. Infusion, all about high ticket. It's an awesome, you get all the upgrades on this one too, guys, all the license rights, get 100% of the profits, and you'll be able to start literally cashing in on big ticket items. And also Phoenix. This is a good one. It's one of our highest converting products, actually. You get the license rights to that, so 100% commissions for Phoenix. And the breakout code, you literally go inside my business with this one. Breakout code, you go inside my business and whatnot. So you're going to get all these bonuses. Now, if you do pick up any of the upgrades for Money for Everyone, guys, I'm going to throw in Insider Commission Club. It's now $397 to get access to this group. I'll give you beta access to all my upcoming launches. Your questions answered by me in the group. You'll get support, weekly live calls, topics tailored for you, and you'll get access to see how I run my multiple six-figure business. So you'll get pretty much access to me, and you'll be able to literally, start really generating some serious results, guys. So this is my biggest bonus of 2020. It's my last bonus for 2020. It ends in 72 hours. I prefer you guys to pick it up as soon as possible because the money for you is going up every hour. Money for Everyone, or Money for You, is definitely going up every hour in price. So the quicker you snag it, the better deal it is for you guys. So we're just going to quickly jump into here. This is the product area. Now you're going to get the full system here too, guys. So this is the members area. You get all the videos here that show you how to literally, get stuff started for you guys. So it's really cool. You get all the materials that you need to get going. Now, when you actually, I'm just going to quickly duck over to the pricing really quickly because I want to be fair and honest with you guys. The products here, you've got money for everyone. You've got the income 10x income booster for $37 here. If you pick that up, you get the inside. You get literally like for 10% of the price. You get the Insiders Club. You get the Clone Our Success. So literally, they'll show you, how they've done it personally, straight up, and you can clone that to get instant results. You get the Done For You package. You get the Lazy Man's Profits for pretty cheap too. You get the coaching as well, which is $67, guys. To be honest, like if you get that, and on top of with the insiders, I think you guys have a lot of success. And also money for everyone. It's at a discounted price. So if you hover over the sales page, guys, if you hover over that X button, you can pick up that for just $6. Oh, sorry, $12, not $6. That's how much I get in commission. So, I'm just going to duck over to the sales page. So if you do buy my link, I do earn commissions, but I can't guarantee the same success unless you actually apply the method. Now, if you go to this page, see what I mean? If you go to exit, you get the pop-up here. You can claim the discount here, guys. So just go up to the exit button here. This will pop up and you can claim your discount there. You can get it instant now. So that's $5 off, guys, literally straight away. So it's at the, as you can see, it's $17.15 right now. And if I go back to the sales page, I might have to do this in incognito. There we go. You go to claim your discount. You'll literally get it for $12. Give it a moment. Just thinking. So just $12. So you just add it to cart. All right, guys. So thanks very much for watching. I really hope you grab it, these bonuses. I'm looking forward to you guys jumping onto this. Like I said, it's my biggest bonus this year. It's a quality product. I want to give you guys the best 2021 chance, and you just literally have to take action. All right, guys. Thanks very much, and I'll catch you on the inside with the guys at Money for Everyone. Cheers.